Okay, let's make a start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a foreigner who speaks your native language.
I know a person who speaks my native language very well. She is the mother-in-law of my best friend. She is from England. She has been living there since her birth, and now it's her 50th birthday, I guess. She is now 50 years old. Beautiful lady, and she learned Urdu language from my friend, who is her daughter-in-law. Basically, my friend is from Pakistan. She has been moved to England after her wedding, and it's been 15 years when she was married to her son and moved to England. She speaks Urdu very well because she find it very polite and interesting language. She used to talk to her grandchildren in Urdu, and also she watch Pakistani drama serials and morning shows which are in Urdu language, and she speaks Urdu very well. Also, when I call my friend, I also ask her mother-in-law to talk to me because I feel very good when she speaks Urdu in very good way.
All right, this is good. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Overall, it is good. But when you're using present simple tense and you talked about she, you did not add s or es to the verb. Like you said, she find it.
Okay, she
It should have been
finds.
she finds it.
All
Then
right.
you said she watch. It should
She
have been she
watch.
watches.
All right.
Okay, so these type of mistakes were very frequent in your answer.
All right.
Apart from that, it was okay. So you need to practice all the topics so that you become further fluent, right?
Thank you.
Thank you.